In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix a black screen on an iPhone 16. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But if your iPhone 16 is stuck on a black screen and not responding, don't worry, because here is a quick and easy fix that could save your device. The first thing I would recommend doing is trying a force restart. Here's exactly what to do. Quickly press the volume up button and release it right after, and then quickly press the volume down button and release it right after, and then press and hold the side button, which is going to be that power button. Now this screen is going to go ahead and stay black for a while. You want to keep holding the side button down and not let go. After a few seconds, you should see the Apple logo appear, and once it does, go ahead and release that side button. Your iPhone should now boot up normally after restarting. If this video helped bring your iPhone 16 back to life, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for even more fast tech fixes just like this. It really does help out the channel, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.